Wait, let me log into my laptop and show you how much this singular skill has made me. All right, this singular skill is responsible for generating me multiple thousands of dollars and multiple millions of naira online. Okay, I will log into my laptop and show you proof that what I'm talking about is actually true.
Okay guys, as you can see, this over $10,000 made in this account already. So let me reload. Loading. As you can see, everything remains the same. All right, I'll go to another account now and show you. This account has made close to $6,000. Reload. Okay, as you can see, everything remains the same. I've made multiple thousands of dollars. I have many accounts. All right guys, let's go there.
Okay, now that I have seen that this is a high income scale, what if I show you everything I know, all my strategies to designing brilliant and high converting sales funnels in minutes, not days or weeks? All right, what if I should give you the support, I give you the tools, I give you everything you need to start designing brilliant and high converting sales funnels in minutes? All right, you have to learn how to design high converting sales funnels if you desire success online. And with this course, you will learn everything I know to design brilliant and high converting sales funnels. If this interests you enough, click the link below to learn more about my online course and hopefully enroll and start building brilliant and high converting sales funnels. All right, with this skill, you can sell out your product massively online. You can sell your products while you sleep or while you are playing with your friends and loved ones. All right, you can also set up funnels for clients all over the world and get paid handsomely for it. All right, so if this kind of thing interests you, click the link below to learn more about my course and hopefully enroll. I can't wait to see you in class. Peace out.